The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Jesus said in our gospel according to St. John chapter 6 verses 52 to 59, "My flesh is a real food and my blood is a real drink." I remember during the solemnity of the body and blood of Christ, in order for me to explain in a way that will be easily understood by the people this great mystery of the body and blood of Christ, I mentioned several Eucharistic miracles in Lanciano and in other places around the world, wherein the bread became real flesh and the wine became real blood. And after that, I heard that some said I was delivering inappropriate homily. I said, why it is inappropriate to preach about the Eucharistic miracle in the solemnity of the body and blood of Christ? I understand. Not everyone will get that, because only those people who believed that the bread and the wine really turned into real flesh and blood of Christ. For some, they are merely symbolisms. For them, they want to rephrase the words of Jesus, as if Jesus Christ said, "This is the symbol of my body, this is the symbol of my blood." But never you can find in our gospel that Jesus said, "This is the symbol," but rather he said, "This is my blood, this is my body." He spoke directly. He unveiled the truth. Then why can't we accept that? And today, once more, Jesus Christ is reminding us all, His flesh is a real food and His blood is a real drink. If you cannot accept that, then maybe you have yet to understand the meaning of the mystery of Jesus' passion, death, and resurrection. God bless you.